Okay guys, welcome back, and we are drawing towards the end of this series of rare Kyosho Mini Z unboxings. So, without further ado, let's move on. And again, this is another box from a seller in the UK. And I just thought I'd get another drifting machine, guys. And you know me guys, I like to look for little bargains and stuff. So, basically, he had this. Now this shell's become pretty rare, so here there's a whole kit which is pretty cool. So let's have a wee look at this, guys. So this is pre-owned but obviously in good condition. Let me get it all out. Right. And again we've got one of these KT18 remotes, and I don't need that many of these, so I will probably sell some of these off. Okay, that release. Yeah. Alright. Haven't tested this, so I don't know how well it's doing, but yeah. Okay. So I'm going to put that over here. We've got some bits and bobs that come with this car. Now this shell is pretty rare in itself, but the fact that the shell, I've seen it selling for £70, and I was able to get an all-wheel drive car with it, which is pretty cool. Here we are. And this is the Mazda Savannah, and this is one they do the Formula D shells in red. I had this in white, and that's actually in very good condition. That's actually mint condition, guys. He did say he'd only driven it a few times, and yep, I think that's true. I wonder if it's got the lights. The little bits and bobs it can raise the lights with. Maybe in here somewhere. I'll have a look. Okay, but yeah, that's actually in very good condition. You can tell by the front, hasn't been raced or bashed about. I think he just drifted it probably in his house on the floor. Nice. So, has he got a light kit in here? And let's have a quick look. It's got a few mods, nothing really amazing. Who was this from? Let me see. Okay. Oh, right, this one was from Riva Nuts as well. Okay. Right, this is the version where you can't put you can't put a gyro on it. It's the earlier version. It does have atomic front end, where you can see the diff light sticking out. Atomic rear end as well. He had it on the speed tester and it went up to about 15 kilometers an hour. It's supposed to have an uprated motor, I can't really tell, but okay. But yeah, so that's that. But the reason why I kind of went for this was there's something else that was with it. No, not with this one. I don't think it was this one. No, it wasn't. It was another car. Right, but yeah, so that shell's pretty rare. I wanted a little drifter, wasn't too expensive. eBay were doing a deal, there's some discounts on, so I thought, you know what? Let me just go for this little bad boy. So I do like that. I like that shell. Let me just pull out one more that we can just do a quick unboxing of. Right, let's have a look at what's in here. Oh, what I've done with my Exacto knife, there it is. Thank you, Mr. Exacto knife. Let's put you back together. Alright, nice. Not drift wheels though, so try it out on the floor, see how that works. But yeah, shell is mint, and like I say guys, hopefully they've got the, you can put the, like the lights are down there, you can put the different light fittings so the lights are up. And I was contemplating decaling this thing out, doing it my own way. It's got gold connectors, guys, can you see the gold connectors? Obviously that's the best flow of current that you're going to get. So people that are quite serious about these, so even though I'm surprised that, you know, I don't think this is made for speed, but you know, they fitted it. Okay, beautiful, nice. And I said I've got that in white. I bought the brushless version that was released in the Savannah, Mazda Savannah version. But the problem with that was they didn't have it. It was like a newer version, so you had to get the ICS Pro programming rubbish card to run it. There's some bits and bobs for it. I think that goes on the front of the actual bottom of the car. Oh, that's more like a high speed thing, I don't know why that's in there, but okay. Maybe they've been racing them, I don't know. And there's a few, what's that, upgraded shocks. Okay, there's no lights though, oh my goodness. Oh man, where are the lights? I've had the lights. Alright, okay, let's have a look at this one. Right, this one was pre-owned, so don't expect anything amazing here. Come on. Oh, good. Right. Put my knife away. Pre-owned, and when it's brand new, this is quite an expensive shell and a rare shell, but I didn't mind getting it pre-owned, guys, because, to be honest with you, it's not one of the most amazing shells I've ever seen. I've got the supers that I liked. This was just surplus, and it was dead cheap. It was under £10. And it's got a light kit fitted. Whoa, that's a bonus. Okay, that's pretty cool if it has. Or is it just 2 wires? I think it's 2 wires. Don't expect too much, but I suppose if I wanted to, I could solve them up. Right, okay. So I thought a light kit, this is like £7, and I was like, whoa, light kits aren't cheap, but yeah. Okay, could probably do with a bit of a tidying up. But these are selling, oh, it's not too badly damaged at the front either. Got that for like, I don't know, is it £5 or £7 or something like that? Because I've got the supers anyway. I thought, you know what, I don't mind having that there as well. So this is a very rare one when it's brand new, but this one's pre-owned at the moment. It actually fit under, it actually fit under there as well. I'll put it on the display stand with that one, and then we'll have a look at it. Okay, righty guys. So that's them. We'll see them on the display stand, guys. See what you think of them, and we shall move on. And what have I got left? I think I've just got 2 boxes left, and I'm done. I've got one car coming from Japan with the deep dish wheels, and you'll see the deep dish wheels. If I don't do a video, guys, you'll see them deep dish wheels on my video somewhere where I'll get released. But have a look at these babies and be ready, guys. And some of the crazy stuff is to come, guys. Trust me. Yeah, don't go anywhere, because there are some little babies, little beauties that are yet to come. Okay, right. Cool, guys. See you in the next vid. Okay, guys, and this is the all-wheel drive Kyosho that I got as a set, and this is the Mazda Savannah RX-7, and you know what, after looking at the Formula D ones, I think that's just crying out for decals. And I bought stickers. I don't know if you noticed, in one of the videos before I showed you some of the stickers I got, because I had planned on doing my own little mods, and I've noticed that people in Japan do that. They basically get their own stickers, and because they're big into anime, and they put them onto body shells and they sell them off on eBay as custom Mini Zs. So I was thinking, yep, I'm gonna do that, but I don't know about selling it off, but at least I like unique stuff, and I like my cars to look a little bit unique as well. So I was thinking, I think I'm going to do that, and some of these cars that are a bit bland, I'm just going to soup them up a little bit, make them look a little bit more cool, especially for drifting, and then use them in bids or store them away, but hopefully use stickers that I can peel off as well, so they can go back to stock if need be. But yeah, I mean, that car naturally just has that drifting look to it. It's that spoiler, man. And I need to get the, I don't think it came with the lights, the pop-up light bits. So I'm going to have to improvise something, or look out to see if I find something online. But yeah, cool as always, guys. Nice bit of kit. I haven't driven these yet, so I don't know how they perform, but hopefully they should be okay. This is the older version of the drift cars, and it doesn't take the gyro, so should be interesting. Okay, let's move on. Okay guys, so here we've got another Supra and everything's going on, from rain to flying planes to everything. Okay, so this was cheap as chips, guys. Didn't come with a dummy chassis, didn't come with wheels, and I thought, you know what, can't go wrong really. It was about £5-6 just to have for a racing shell, or even just as an additional shell if we're going to do some race vids. So yep, not really my cup of tea, not something I would have gone and bought brand new. The decals aren't that eye-catching, nor are they that amazing. Not is it amazing to look at. The colour scheme is nothing great. So colours and shapes is something that really, you know, attracts me towards cars in general. So especially Mini Zs. So there wasn't really much going on here. I really felt that the SO Ultra Flow was just really bland. So I would never gone for it brand new, but getting it cheap, and if you've got cars that run that wheelbase and you have the body mounts for it anyway, it's no biggie, man, no brainer. So it's good just to have waiting in the wings if you need to use it, you know, or if you want to race and not smash up your good body shells, there you go, use one of them. So basically that's why that's here. Okay, let's move on.